Are you tired of using your phone for every photo? What if I told you there's a better way? The Kodak PixPro FZ55 is a compact camera designed for casual photo enthusiasts. It solves the problem of poor image quality and limited zoom capabilities found in most smartphones. This camera is perfect for those who want to capture life's moments with ease and clarity. Whether you're a parent trying to freeze special moments, a traveler looking to document your adventures, or simply someone who loves photography, the Kodak PixPro FZ55 is an excellent choice. Let's break down the specs. It has a 16MP sensor, which means it takes high-quality photos with lots of detail. The 5x optical zoom lets you get up close and personal with your subject without losing image quality. The 28mm wide angle is great for landscapes and group shots, allowing you to capture more of the scene in a single frame. It can record 1080p Full HD video, which is perfect for capturing memories, from birthday parties to vacation footage. The 2.7-inch LCD screen makes it easy to review your photos and videos, and with 512GB SD support, you can store thousands of photos and hours of video, so you don't have to worry about running out of space. Additionally, the camera has a built-in flash, which helps to illuminate your subject in low-light conditions, and the image stabilization feature reduces camera shake, resulting in sharper images. I can see myself using this camera on a daily basis. I'd take it to the beach to capture stunning sunsets, and then use it to record my kid's birthday party. The wide angle and optical zoom would come in handy in both scenarios. For instance, at the beach, I could use the wide angle to capture the vast expanse of the ocean and the surrounding landscape, and then use the optical zoom to get a close-up shot of the sunset. At the birthday party, I could use the wide angle to capture the entire scene, including all the guests, and then use the optical zoom to get a close-up shot of the birthday cake. The camera's compact design and lightweight body make it easy to carry around, so you can take it with you wherever you go. In real-world use, the Kodak PixPro FZ55 performs exceptionally well. The image quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and plenty of detail. The camera is also very easy to use, with an intuitive interface that makes it simple to navigate the various settings and modes. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner, you'll find the Kodak PixPro FZ55 easy to use and understand. The camera also has a number of scene modes, including landscape, portrait, and sports, which can help you to capture the perfect shot in a variety of situations. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Kodak PixPro FZ55. The best things about it are the image quality and compact design. However, it may not have all the advanced features found in more expensive cameras, such as manual focus or raw image capture. But for casual photo enthusiasts, it's a great choice. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a simple and easy-to-use camera that can deliver high-quality photos and videos. If you want to get your hands on the Kodak PixPro FZ55, I've got a link in the description below. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. The Kodak PixPro FZ55 is definitely worth checking out, so be sure to click that link and learn more about it.